Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make macarons buttercream. We'll start by exploring the fundamental components that create a stable and delicious filling. Then, we'll dive into the precise methods for combining these ingredients, ensuring a perfectly emulsified mixture. Finally, I'll share valuable advice on achieving that ideal smooth, pipeable texture, making your macarons truly exceptional. Get ready to elevate your baking skills and create stunning, professional quality treats with confidence and ease. The foundation of exquisite macarons buttercream lies in selecting the right ingredients. Always opt for high-quality unsalted butter, softened to room temperature, which is crucial for a smooth emulsion. Sifting your powdered sugar meticulously will prevent any gritty texture, ensuring a silky finish. Room temperature egg whites are vital for achieving maximum volume and stability if you are making a meringue-based buttercream. A dash of pure vanilla extract will also significantly enhance the overall flavor profile, making your filling truly irresistible. Achieving the perfect buttercream texture hinges on your mixing technique. Begin by creaming your softened butter for about 5 minutes until it becomes wonderfully light and fluffy. Next, gradually incorporate the sifted powdered sugar, mixing slowly to avoid a sugary cloud. If using a meringue, fold it in gently in 3 or 4 additions. Finally, increase the speed to medium-high and beat for another 5 to 7 minutes until the buttercream is beautifully smooth, stable, and ready for piping. Fine-tuning your buttercream's consistency is key for flawless macarons. If it feels too stiff, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk or cream, one at a time, until it reaches the desired smoothness. Conversely, if it's too soft, chilling it in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes can firm it up. Don't hesitate to get creative with flavorings. Consider adding fruit purees, melted chocolate, or coffee extract. Properly stored in an airtight container, your delicious buttercream will last for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.